Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Richie here with a big question for you. Have you ever wanted to have your very own AI agent, which you can train without having to use code and deploy to increase your efficiency, your productivity, to find the biggest crypto gains before anyone else, to find out the truth in the news, to find out immediately if things are real or not real? You know, with the emergence of AI, especially now in cryptocurrency with booming AI agents, the need to be able to verify truth from AI created content is becoming very, very important. And what we're going to be checking out today is a new project which is launching on Sui, which is the biggest and most hyped of all the new chains which have popped up in this cycle. It is an AI agent license project where kind of like a node where you're able to purchase this at the end of the month. It's not coming yet, okay? And get into their alpha group to be the first to purchase these licenses, which will give you passive income in the form of their tokens. They are tradable, so if you want to sell up the project at any point, you would be able to sell it on their marketplace, which has not been done with many nodes before. And it grants you the license to have your very own non-code AI agent, which you can either lease out to other people to use or use it yourself. This is Swarm. Let's get into it.
Yes, and did I also mention that by watching this video, I'm going to be giving you the alpha on how to join the Swarm Alpha Telegram group. This is going to be capped at 1,000 members, and it will get early access whitelisted to be able to buy these license nodes at the very beginning of their sale, which comes, like I said, at the end of January. Okay, so we do have 23 days until this sale goes. And what we're going to be doing today is this is my first video touching on this project. Check out the website. As always, the link will be in the description for this. So this is Swarm Network. Pretty funky site, nice and cool. So what's happening here, as I explained, this is the ability to purchase a license for an AI agent, which you can train without code to do tasks for you. They cost 999 USDT. And they also reward you in Swarm tokens as well as the license. So that's the, that's the elevator pitch for this. You own your own AI agent, build your swarm of autonomous agents with no code tools, or lease your AI agent to devs on the marketplace so other people will use it and pay you to use it, okay? Operate, you can recruit the best agents on the market, grow your reputation, and earn a share from network verification revenues. And of course, we're all about passive income on this channel. You earn Swarm's native token on a daily basis and engage in network activities to unlock additional bonus distributions. So that's essentially what's happening here with Swarm. So you're creating AI agents and you're also earning passive income at the same time. The reasons, so let's get straight into why I am talking about this today. I was reached out to by a marketing team to talk about this project. And the marketing team who reached out to me, I've worked with them before. I worked with them on the launch of the Lumia project, which is over here. This is Lumia. So Lumia is a node project. Is continuously paying us passive income now. I went into this quite heavy. I have 21 nodes, which this is our community fund for our SEC DAO. And you can see the earning that I'm getting from these nodes is quite fantastic. The amount that we've earned so far would be 14,000 Lumia delegated by the use of 14,000 tokens so far earned. I have a total claimable now of 6,854. And this is the price of Lumia, which has done pretty well, actually. It did top out at $2.25. It's currently $1.50. So if, we quickly napkin maths this to 6,500 tokens, that would be $10,000 roughly that I have to claim out if I wanted to. There is currently a tax on this. And then we also have 14,000 here. So that would then be 14,000 Lumia, which would be at $20,000 worth of tokens. So Lumia, extremely successful node project, which is very quickly bringing us to ROI. So when the same marketing team approached me with Swarm, I was of course very interested in what they had to offer. And once they told me who was behind this project, it piqued my interest further. Behind this project is the founder of a project which was launched couple years ago, which was also a node project, was the first ever AI node project, by the way. This project was called, I believe it's at the bottom here of the founding team, Dream Team, okay? Here we go. All doxed was Delicium. So Delicium was the first ever AI agent network, okay? And it was also a node project. Delicium was extremely profitable as well for the investors who went in to buy in the nodes, especially the ones who got in minute one, day one, which is what we're aiming to do now with Swarm, okay? It's what we did with Lumia. It's what we've done with also with the Sonic Solana SVM in my Nodefolio, right? So seeing that Yannick Meissen, the co-founder and architect of Delicium, is the CEO of Swarm, that convinced me, okay, yeah, this is all I need. The proven marketing team who are shown to bring in the big bucks, okay, like Lumia, they sold out, right? Millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars flooded into the Lumia node sale, and they sold out. So Yannick Meissen behind this, and a great marketing team, and a hot narrative as well with Swarm means it's ticked all my boxes. They also have Queen Asai, Morty Tabibi from Delicium also. We have Fod Fatu from Zero Stage. We have Robin Janaway from OV and Martin Pencha from Binance. They're also in the project, and their advisors are 3 advisors here. Everyone doxed, ticking all the boxes here. So this is their pitch deck, by the way. So pricing for these nodes, which will come at the end of the month, remember, in 23 days, the first buyers for these nodes will get them for 999 USDT. After a while, these nodes begin to get more expensive, and they get on a bonding curve, just like normal with usual nodes or licenses, they call them in this project, not nodes. They then go up by 10 USDT, 20, 30, 40, the last ones being around about $5,000 per license, okay? So getting in day one is, of course, extremely beneficial. Once you purchase your license, you then can also refer other people to buy them, and you do get a 10% referral reward on this. As always with this channel, any of the rewards that I do get will be going into our treasury to then pay out our NFT holders. That's how we run things here. That's how we run our house. The tokens, total amount of nodes, I believe, or licenses is 30,000 licenses, I do believe. And that's pretty much it. And it's going to be on Sui chain. So Sui doesn't have a strong AI agent narrative yet. So this will be the first node sale on Sui, the first AI agent sale on Sui, and looking to have a pretty close TGE after the sale as well, which is always nice to see. The 30,000 licenses are up for grabs. And we then have the roadmap, which I think we can come back to their website here. We do have the roadmap as well, which is here. Okay, so last thing we want to know, of course, is when is the TGE? When will we be able to get the tokens and trade them, right, and profit from this? So they're planning to have the TGE on their roadmap currently, but remember, always with node projects, usually the TGE is delayed. I have not seen one that's managed to hit the exact dates that they put on their roadmap before their sale. So always, you need to remember with buying licenses or nodes that the ROI can probably come. Nothing's guaranteed in crypto, but it does take time. So for your investment, don't expect to flip this in 1 week or 2 weeks and get profit. It is a long-term investment. You're essentially a pre-sale backer for a concept for a crypto project. And if you see there is value in it and you think it has potential to do multiple X's, then you buy in early, you're patient with your play, you support the project, and then finally it pays out when the TGE comes and you can start to claim and sell your tokens, okay? So that is so you're aware of the risks of investing in licenses or nodes. So the TGE will be so far in Q2 2025 with token staking, and then Another great thing about this project that I mentioned is you will be able to trade your license. So for example, with Lumia, have all these nodes, 21 nodes worth a lot. I thought, oh, you know what? Don't want to be in Lumia anymore. I want to move these nodes. I want to get rid of them. I want other people to buy them. I can't. They're locked in the wallet. I can't move them. They're just going to be there forever, okay? But with Swarm, what you're going to be able to do is get onto their marketplace and trade your license to other people or lease your license to other people if you are not interested in running it anymore. So it will be an exit opportunity and also a buying opportunity for people as well if the price does go lower than the purchase price, right? So that's also very cool. So how do you get into this alpha group? Okay, so this is cool, right? Let's check out their white paper. So we come to their site. All the information's here. You can read it as you want. What we want to do now is come to white paper, right? We're going to click here, and this is going to bring you to this page here. So this is their interactive white paper, and this will put you on a treasure hunt for you to begin trying to find their their entry code for their alpha group Telegram group. Okay, so it's not overly complicated, but it's quite fun. Also, if you are in the SCC DAO, I am going to be giving advanced help to anyone in our new room, which I've opened. SCC DAO is our NFT membership club, the one I mentioned before, where I send my referrals to. And I'm going to be helping each one of you and individually if you need to get into the Alpha Group Telegram group, okay? So if you are watching this, just get in the DAO. We have a room now for Swarm in our Telegram, and you can contact me and I'll give you straight up advice on what to do, okay? So it says here, you first thing you want to do is you want to try and find their socials. So we have a typing command here. You can't see it because my head's in the way, but it's right here. My head's still in the way. There we go. Type in command, right? Type in your command. So my command is going to be for finding the socials, right? So we're just going to type in 4. All right. So I've typed in 4 and then enter. So brings up a lot of stuff for their socials. Okay. So let's wait for it to populate. Boot sequence, initiating Swarm Truth Protocol interface, detecting information patterns, analyzing, warning, critical levels of misinformation detected, establishing secure connection, done. Alert, system notification. What they're doing here is they are showing you what they've created with the technology that they have. They have actually a running and working bot agent license, which is running now on Twitter or X, where you can use it to see the potential of what they're creating with Swarm, okay? Ready to join the pursuit of truth, press enter to proceed. So we'll just type enter, type in my command, enter, okay, and here we go. Okay, we're gonna type in 4, because 4 is the mysterious one with the question marks on it, right? So let's come here, back to the screen, and we're gonna type in 4. As you can see here, 4, it's just a bunch of question marks, right? Okay, 4, boom. So it says now to use rollup news, which is their agent on X, okay, in order to get the Telegram entry address. So we come and it says here, type start to go. So we type start, right? Input your encrypted hex. Nexus mine classified access truth secret challenge. So encrypted hex, I have one, right? So we come to Twitter, and what I did was I found this news article. I just took any random news article on X, okay? And I took this one, and I also took this one. This is the first one I did. So this was something from Bernie Sanders, and I wanted to find out how much truth is in Bernie Sanders, right? So what's he saying and it's true. So all I did was I typed here to access their agent, and anyone can do this, right? I used @rollup_news, then plus rollup. What happened then was that the bot then told me if this is true or fake, right? Is Bernie Sanders talking the truth, okay? And you can then find it here from the article, and it says it's 100% substantiated facts. The emotion level is neutral, the reader sentiment is neutral, and it has 0 fake news. You can also read through it. It shows the full thread, the pros and cons of what he's talking about, and fact checks every single statement that Bernie made there to see it's all very true. Well done, Bernie. You're a true man. So that's quite cool. So, and you can also see there that I got a hex, right? So your name is Crypto Mischief, and this is my cipher. So I take this hex cipher that I got from the bot, and then I come back to the swarm here, and I input my hex. So I type in my hex at the command there behind my head, and I type that in, and now it's saying input your key. Your name, Mischief, is the cipher, so maybe that is the key. Okay, so we copy that and come back to Swarm. I input my key. Is it Crypto Mischief? Validating. Okay, and it says there, one question lingers. It's an answer locked in the cipher of Telegram dot. So now I have the first part of the Telegram group that to get into the alpha, 1,000 member max Swarm group to get early into this. So then, you want to save that somewhere. So just, write it down somewhere so you don't lose it. And then we continue. So I guess we then go start again. Use this one. I got the hex here. If you are interested, also, you can see that the him saying that he was correct on Whale, the other account was wrong. He was actually only 87% right. So he did have some emotional value there. So I think, it finds that he's biased and he's not telling the complete truth, which is important. Okay. Anyway, I paste the new hex here, and my key again, and it's given it. Okay. So now I have the second part of the Telegram group. Okay. So you have to do this 3 or 4 times in order to get yourself the full link to the Telegram. Then you can join it, and then you're in the alpha group. But as I said, if you're in the SEC, then you can just talk to me and I will help you immediately with how to get into this group, because that's what we're going to do. Okay, so that's pretty much me covering Swarm so far. That's how to get into the alpha group, how to get ready. Remember, we have 23 more days until the launch of this, and I'd like to announce this now, actually, at the end of the video. I was talking to the agent for Swarm, and they asked me if I would like to host the developer, the CEO of Swarm, on my channel. So I will be doing an AMA with him, and that is, of course, from Delicium, Yannick Meissen. So I'll be hosting Yannick Meissen on this channel in the near future before the launch of the license sales for this, and get up to speed with it. Okay, so check out the website, use the bot on Telegram, see if it's an investment opportunity that you're interested in joining. I definitely am up for this one. I think it's going to be a huge success for 2025. The first node or license project of 2025. Very exciting for me to find one that's an absolute banger. Yes, that's what we need. Okay, I've been Crypto Mischief. Hope you enjoyed this catch up with a new project. Always good to see new projects in crypto, because first in the door, first to success. That's how we roll. Okay, peace. Be good to each other. And as always, don't get wrecked. Bye.
Here's the deal. The pre-sale starts now. All you got to do is buy Suit Rump, because it's the first farmable pair to start earning victory tokens, the best rewards out there.